Hey guys, Xsense has now come out with a security camera that is pretty much just like the Ring Spotlight camera. And guess what guys, it is 3 times much more cheaper. It's battery powered, waterproof, has a multi-sharing feature and much more. This model comes with a solar panel, 1080p HD quality picture, wide angle lens, color night vision with an intruder alarm alert. Inside the box there are simple instructions to follow your installation process. A solar panel that can charge devices using a USB Type-C charge cable. Or you can quick charge using a USB adapter. A swivel mount for the solar panel. Fixings. Swivel wall mount for the Xsense camera. Inside the bottom flap is a micro SD card slot, charge port and a power switch. At the back there's a mount thread and a speaker. Small but mighty, beautiful finish. Spotlight, mic and the power light is indicated at the front. I was eager to try out the solar panel out first, and yes guys, it does work. Check it out, it's charging my phone. Right, to set up it's super simple. Download the Xsense app. Register. Turn on the device by holding on the power button. Search for the right device. Yes, it's beeping, so click next. Pair it with your Wi-Fi. Just make sure your Bluetooth and location is turned on. Right, installation is now complete. There is a 30 days free trial subscription to get more features in this app. Okay, so if you want to speak, you need to hold down on this microphone icon. There we go. Now, because I'm so close to the camera with my phone, it's actually having an echo frequency here. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. So once you open up your app, this is the home page. An icon of Wi-Fi connectivity and power bar are shown. Click for live view. In settings, there are many features to play around with to set up your Xsens camera. SD card management is something I also prefer than just to rely on cloud storage. Motion, audio, and not to forget, you will receive notifications straight to your phone.
Hi guys, I've got this Xsens camera connected and literally about 10 meters away from the poolside pub. I hope my voice is coming out quite clearly. To go any more further down towards the garden, then there might be some lag. All depends upon your Wi-Fi connection, guys. But yeah, so far so good.
Lucas
come to join us.
He's hungry. This camera has been on for 2 weeks now, and it's only taken 5% of the battery power. So basically, depending upon usage, the battery will last in between 6 to 12 months, just like the Ring camera. But obviously, if you plug in the solar panel, then it's free charge, powering up the camera for life. In low light, the quality of the image is superb. The spotlight on the camera helps bring in more light for better picture quality. Guys, if you don't wish to install it outdoors, well, it can be used indoors around your home too. Stay safe, peace.